HUMA stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Humacyte stock is sitting at 451. That is like 3% down for the day, and that's $4.51. It's not like 451. So with this, very open to this bullish idea and whatnot, because like this kind of gave it out, right? This kind of gave it out, this whole movement. This does not mean that I'm gonna like start ripping buys. No, that's not what it means. It means that it's just on the radar. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and as a result gotten thousands of great predictions. And specifically with HUMA, I want to see a proper double break in order to take things higher. I mean, to put things in perspective, if I don't see, I mean, this is gonna take time for all these candles to show up, but if I don't see this proper double break, there's just no way that I'll move forward. And that's kind of the reality and the truth, the sad part about it. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description and just a free newsletter. Goodbye.